you know me, you'll know I'm into locking pliers. You know I delve into the realm of Max Bite Milwaukee ones, and what do I got here? Oh, yeah. Traditional Peterson. These are original Peterson vice grips. They're 7CRs. This is not what the video's about, but you'll know I like vice grips. You can't have enough vice grips. But what do I got today? Well, I have this wonky, stupid. I don't know. I think these are stupid. Like, look, they're just too big. They're way too big. But since they make a similar one with a rubber handle here, I thought I'd buy this one. It's an Irwin 10WR. Which one's this? This is a 10WR, also Irwin vice grip. What's the difference? Well, this one's still in the package, so we will get rid of the package. The difference is well, the rubber handle's different, and it had that stupid bulky, I don't know, wonky, what the hell it is in there. The mechanisms in there are quite different. See, they kind of did something different in here. Wait, where is it? This way, sorry. Nope, this way. If you look inside it, there's two different mechanisms. One's got some bajangly spring thing here, and this one's got some flat thing. And it's got, I don't know, a big blocky thing on there. So, but try to check these out. Even though they're a bigger set of vice grips, I find my fat little hands are just not made for these big bulky things. They're stupid. But the rubber is kind of cool, but I'm not too thrilled about the rubber. See, they're like, you can tell, I mean, honestly, that like you can tell the finish is not the same. See, these are, I think this is the older style finish. This is some kind of newer finish, because look, even these old Peterson ones, they have that nice gloss to them. You can tell it's, honestly, even the Milwaukee ones, they're probably made by the same indents, same bolt patterns. They're probably made, but these ones have, they're not the same finish. That's, so I bought one of these 10WR, weird plastic handle, self-locking. Let me see if I can find a plate of metal or something here. Oh, come on. I've seen a piece of metal on the floor here. Let's get it off the floor. It's supposed to be no, like, see, still gotta adjust them, but here, easy to open. There's a little easier to open. So just clampity clamp, just pop it open. This one, let's try this one. Adjust the thing. Let me clamp it down really hard. There we go. Oh yeah, they're definitely easier to spring open. The other thing, like I think I noticed, is this knurl on here sucks. I like this one more, a little death grip. This one's a little thinner on the older ones, a little knurl there. And this one's definitely a winner, because not only can you turn it, you can also hang them on the wall, or you can hang them on the little thing like this. So it's got a win in that one. I really don't like this. I'll do this. I don't like this style of knurl. I like this one. You get a better grip. You can take more, what do you call it, skin off your finger with this and this. The other good thing though is you can drop a, what do you call it, Allen key, torque, I don't know what else it's called. I'm not a freaking mechanic. So let's just say 5mm hex. This one, does this one say? 5mm hex. They don't even look the same. Look. See, they don't even look like, one looks abused. So anyway, that's for that. That's enough of those ones. Anyway, there goes that. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I got more stuff.